In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out in Airtable. Signing out is a simple way to protect your work, especially if you're on a shared or public computer, switching accounts, or wrapping up a session. I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly what to expect at each stage. First, open your preferred web browser and go to airtable.com. You might already be inside a base or viewing your workspace. Either is fine. The sign out option is available from the same place in the interface, so there's no need to navigate away from what you're doing before you start. Next, look to the top right corner of the page and find your profile icon. This is usually a small circle that shows your photo or your initials. It sits in the header bar alongside other controls. The placement is consistent across most desktop browsers, so focus your attention on that upper right area. Clicking this icon is your gateway to the account options you need. When you click the profile icon, it opens your account menu. Think of this as your personal control panel. It commonly includes items like your account settings, theme preferences, and the option we're after today. If the menu appears and you see several choices, don't worry. We're keeping it straightforward and going directly to the sign out action. Within that menu, click Sign Out or Log Out. The label might vary depending on the interface version you're seeing, but they perform the same action. The moment you select it, Airtable ends your current session in that browser. If you use multiple workspaces under the same account, this action covers all of them because they're tied to the single sign-in you just ended. After you click, wait until the page redirects. You'll typically land on the sign-in screen or Airtable's public homepage. That change confirms you're signed out. If the page takes a moment, that's normal. Just give it a little time to complete. Once you see the sign-in prompt or the main homepage instead of your bases and workspaces, your session has been successfully closed. And that's it. You've signed out of Airtable in just a few clicks. Remember, using the sign out option is a smart habit for privacy and account security, especially when you're not on your own device. If you plan to sign back in later, you can return to airtable.com and enter your credentials as usual. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you feel confident about signing out cleanly and securely in Airtable.